What's up, Richard? Good, how are you? Yeah, gonna go riding with Justin and Jared in a little bit.
Yeah, Justin's supposed to be home around 5, he said.
Okay.
It's just about that time now, isn't it?
I think so, yeah. New shoes?
Excuse me?
New shoes?
No, I've had these for a few years and just haven't worn them that much.
Oh, okay.
And every time I put them on, they hurt my feet, but after you wear them a couple of days, then they're okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, let's play it. Get pumped up first.
Alright, see you guys.
Somebody died.
It's just children getting beat.
A regular Thursday.
What's up, buddy? You gonna put it on your story?
What, are you gonna do a fucking trick for me?
No?
I'm gone.
Alright. Fuck it.
Someone's gonna get fucking hit for Born exhaust. That trailer park trash. Ah! Oh, yeah, look at it. No! What are you doing? No! Oh, shit. I can't go. God damn! You're in a fucking baby deer! You should have seen that shit! How you holding up?
Tired.
Yeah. You're fucking way out there.
The whitest Mexican you know. She's on the phone.
Usually it turns out on the phone.
Look.
Hey, how's it going? Usually you can't start if you turn the car on or something, it shuts, it turns off.
Yeah, usually.
Press the pedal.
I think they're driving it. They were backing up with it on.
Drive home like that. Just talk them as a loss. Just drive home.
You got a 30-minute drive home with that going on.
Santa Barbara. Give it a minute. Oh, dude. Just close the door. She literally trying to drive home.
Yes.
How long is that going for?
Like 5 minutes, dude.
Hold on. We gotta record this.
I got it on the GoPro.
No, dude. Can they disconnect the battery? She literally said,
It's coming back around.
There's no way that's... Where's she going?
They're gonna park it.
Not back in the same spot, please.